Welcome back to Getaway, where I am aboard Scenic Pearl, journeying along the Rhine and Moselle rivers.
I could sit here for hours riding this perpetually flowing thing. It's magnificent. The distance appears, it reveals itself, it passes by, and it's replaced by another. And the river has purpose, it never hesitates. It just keeps on keeping on. It doesn't wonder, it just sort of provides the answer, and that's why when you eventually step off, you're all the better for it.
Our scenic spaceship is aptly named because, well, it has a lot of space. Whether on the upper deck, the lounge, or even your own ultra-luxury suite, there's no shortage of places to watch the world go by.
Oh, it's like your very own plush hotel room that just happens to float. And if you want to let the outside in, simply step out onto your own balcony.
We've left Belgium now and are travelling through the waterways of the Netherlands, which have played a vital role in this nation's history, wealth and culture.
Netherlands quite literally translates as Low Countries. There's barely a topographical feature higher than the back of an ant. And consequently, a recurring theme in their history is their battle with water, taming it and controlling it and harnessing it. And it's perfectly illustrated here in the gardens of the Palais Het Loo. A palace considered modest and restrained, but a palace that is groaning with history.
Dating back to the 17th century, Palais Het Loo was built as a summer palace for William of Orange and his wife Mary, who both went on to rule Great Britain and Ireland.
So this is the grand staircase of Het Loo Palace, and William III has made it like this to impress the visitors who had an appointment at the palace. So here you would enter and wait at the reception hall for your appointment.
To meet the king.
To meet the king, exactly, yeah.
The palace, located in Apeldoorn, was built as a hunting lodge for William, and a recent €120 million renovation has involved a meticulous restoration.
We're now entering the bedroom of Mary Stuart, but she would never sleep here, and the bed was just to impress the visitor, and she would maybe sit on the bed but never sleep.
Right.
So it would be very special to have a conversation in a bedroom.
So this is all original? This is as it was?
Absolutely, yes.
Back then?
Yes, 100%. And this is where the king and the queen had dinner. And the place where we're standing right now is for the visitors to watch as they would eat.
Really?
Although now an independent museum, the royal family still use it from time to time. Although I suspect their dining habits would be a little more private these days. The palace has been dubbed the Versailles of the North.
Do you really feel the time, don't you?
Exactly, yeah.
And in the gardens, it's not hard to see why. They are exactly as they were commissioned centuries ago by William and Mary. There's even a garage housing centuries of royal vehicles.